DaVinci Resolve is a free video editing application that is very popular, and given the recent changes to Mini-Tool Movie Maker and people have accidentally upgraded to version 5 with version 4 disappearing off the internet, it is well worth a check out if you are making videos longer than 2 minutes. It's been around for nearly 2 decades, and if you search DaVinci Resolve in Google, what you will find is the top result should be Blackmagic Design, which is the website that you want to go to. And we get to see some cool cuts and edits. And if you scroll down a little bit, professional editing, color effects and audio post, there is a paid for version with extra features, but the free version is very feature rich. So if you click on DaVinci Resolve free download now, you can choose the beta, you can choose the studio beta, which has some extra effects, or you can choose Resolve 17. These ones will be for most people down here because beta 1 might be a bit unstable. So DaVinci Resolve 17, innovative tools for editing, including the revolutionary new cut page, visual effects, motion graphics, color correction and audio post-production on a single application. Or DaVinci Resolve Studio 17 includes everything in the free version. Ta-da! Plus DaVinci Neural Engine features, multi-user collaborations, blah, 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 an awful lot of stuff. So we'll stay with the free version, DaVinci Resolve 17, and we'll click on Windows. It's also available for Mac and Linux. So if we click on that, we have to type in our information. It won't actually let us skip. So what we'll do is we will fill out this information. Okay, you just have to put in your first name, last name, you can miss company, email, phone, country, state. If you select United States, obviously if you change to United Kingdom, then state will not be required. City, and some information about how you're going to use it. The product information box is automatically selected, what you're downloading, but the feedback is optional. So DaVinci Resolve is now downloaded. So if we double click on the application, it should extract it and install it. Oh, but it won't do. So what we have to do is extract all and then extract, which might take a couple of minutes, and then it should show it once it's ready. Oh. We seem to have 2 extraction processes going on here. Oh, okay. So yes. So it was actually extracting, it just wasn't telling us it was doing it. So we'll close that. In order to install Resolve, you must install these components. Visual C++, yeah, so leave those tapes, DaVinci controlled by Blackmagic Raw player. Fairlight Audio Accelerator utility, well, let's go with it. And DaVinci Resolve is the main application, so you can just tick everything if you want everything. Then click Install. It will go through the various prerequisites, which is going pretty fast, which is good. It is an epic download, so we're hoping for some epic features in here to match it. Compared to something like Mini-Tool, which is only a few hundred megabytes, this is 2.5 gigabytes. And finally, after the prerequisites installed, you get to go onto the main DaVinci Resolve installation. So we've got the license agreement, which you have to agree to. We're going to install it on our C drive in the default location and then press install. And there should be no additional things to download because you do just download everything as part of the initial 2.5 gig download. So it gets straight on to copying the new files to the system. We can wait, register the product. Little command prompt, and then we've finished it. So if click finish, installation complete, and that's it. That's DaVinci Resolve 17 installed on our computers. So it's time for us to take a look at it and jump into it, see how it compares to other tools like Mini-Tool Movie Maker. Hope that helps, and stick around for more DaVinci Resolve videos.